Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we got something from Free Print Gifts. So T-Mobile has this thing where you get like free junk on Tuesdays. Well, they had a thing for free photo prints, and I thought, okay, it was like $1 for shipping. And then the place that did those sent me a thing saying, hey, you can get a free photo book. Hey, you can get a free canvas. Hey, you can get a free blanket. And I kind of took the blanket and went with an idea. So yeah, let's crack this open and let's see what we ended up with. Cool, okay. So I've always wanted a Ramen Raider flag. And that's kind of what we got here. Check that out. It's a blanket, but it's pretty tiny, so it's kind of like, it's like a flag.
I see it.
Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so here, let me put it up. Wow, cool. Check that out. That works. I'm stoked that the shipping was pretty cheap, you know. It was like, I don't know, it wasn't that cheap. It was like $16 to get it shipped, but I mean, hey, I've got a flag for the federal oligarchical state of the Ramen Raider. Yeah. So this is sovereign territory. What do you think, Mimi? You like it? Cool. Well, yeah, rad. I guess I'll have to find a better spot for it and do some. I've been wanting to do some stuff with that wall behind me for a while. It's been kind of static for a long time, so. Yeah, very cool. And hey, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.